This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
What does addition mean? Well, addition means to add a number to get a larger number. If we are showing addition on a number line, we start on a number and count forward to add. The number we land on is the answer, or sum. Let's do some addition problems using number lines. Here we have 6 plus 3. The addition sign tells us to add. We have 6 and we need to add 3. On our number line, we will start at 6. Here it is. Then we will count forward 3 to add 3 to 6. 1, 2, 3. We end on 9. This number line shows 6 plus 3 equals 9. Great job! Let's do another one. For this addition problem, we start at 7 and count forward some until we get to 12. Watch me count to see how many I add. I'll start at 7 on our number line. From 7, I'm going to count on until I land on 12. Ready? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much did I add? Let's count the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number line shows 7 plus 5 equals 12. Great job! Let's do one more. This time, I'm going to show you an addition problem on the number line, and you will need to fill in all 3 numbers. I will start here, then I will add this many and end here. What addition problem is this? We start at 8, so 8 is the first number. Let's count along the number line to see how big of a jump we made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We counted forward 9, so that's how much we need to add. And we ended at 17. This number line shows 8 plus 9 equals 17. Way to go! Remember, if we are showing addition on a number line, we start on a number and count forward to add. You are now ready to add using number lines on your own.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.